judge somebody, yeah, and I try to learn psychology. Oh, I learned. Wow, I'm so, my knowledge not very. I can acquisition the knowledge, but I know my capability. For what? Because I know I don't want to be arrogant. The first thing when I start to learn something, I don't want to be arrogant. I promise. Every single day, I try to be humble.
Like down to earth, right?
Yeah,
Humble, down to earth.
because when I stay humble, knowledge can I
Yeah,
get.
down to earth.
Yeah.
You know what?
Filosofi kelas kosong ya. Kayak when I stay keep open minded, the knowledge I can get and I can acquisition, but